Kick things off with some news pertaining to Rygin King being arrested as part of New York City's One Less Gun campaign. So according to this article right here we see out on World Music Views, Rygin King, he was arrested and charged with weapons offenses in New York City. The 29-year-old DJ, born Matthew Smith, was arrested by the NYPD 113th Precinct's Midnight Public Safety Team on July 8th as part of the city's One Less Gun campaign. It was announced on social media without naming the person arrested, saying, "Yesterday, 113 PCT Midnight Public Safety Team made an arrest and recovered this loaded firearm. Excellent work, One Less Gun." Yes, people, so Rygin King faces 4 charges, including second, third, and fourth degree possession of a firearm, ammunition, and criminal possession of a weapon. Yeah, people, so it's like right here, a lot of people saying, look what happened to Rygin King before, and you know, him still a walk around with a machine and all of that. It is very unfortunate right here. We yet to hear more about this case pertaining to Rygin King we see circulating across the media.
I look a big head boy, you watch your door.
Everything locked, man, don't worry yourself.
How you say, Father King, man? When I shot a man, now if a boy violate you, I don't know you can't run in and all. Matter of fact, I ain't run up and down thing when a boy need a gunshot or run down some boy. Don't worry, man, your head back lock, I ain't for know that. Is it?
Yo, bumper clot.
Aba?
Be a police out the door start.
Police, open the door.
Yo, King, man, put this on into chair, see? Remember, see a big artist now and you're crippled. So them boy never search you. Just lock it here, sir. Yo, King, we link. Do your max. Look at more, see?
Run, King, man.
Yo, run, King, run. Yeah,
Gloves,
then
man.
hold on for the monster. Channel. Man, salt. Gunshot. Cripple. I know man I got to prison. Yeah, bad luck, what's on over here, yo.